Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. There's some great tech with this car, including speed limit recognition, blind spot detection, and lane keeping assistance. You also get the 8-inch touchscreen that features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 7,000 miles, and if you think this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.